Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, very artistic, and highly eye-catchy and mesmerizing because in this video I am sharing on your massive requests a very beautiful design ideas of kutch work along with a very beautiful decoration of simple mirror work design ideas. Friends, these are the patterns that you can easily make by sitting at your home and can create a very beautiful designer style sari of your own. Yes friends, all of these designs are absolutely designed for designer saris. You can use these very beautiful and trendy, easy to make kutch work, Gujarati silai, Sindhi embroidery pattern ideas to make your sari. Friends, the idea that I am showing you these designs in the form of borders is to give you more creativity, to give you an idea that how you can utilize these borders into a various number of ways as well. You can also make these borders onto your sleeves, onto the blouse of your sleeves, onto the neckline of your blouse, or as a all over heavy embroidered pattern for a all over fancy sari as well. Friends, so different patterns, different design ideas, different color combinations have been shared with you to give you a more creative and broader perspective. So please do try these patterns at home, and if you want me to teach you that how you can make Sindhi embroidery, kutch work, or many other names term for this very beautiful embroidery pattern, Sindhi Hormage, Sindhi Bath, then do comment below this video. I will make a detailed step-by-step tutorial and will teach you how that you can make this very beautiful pattern, and you can design a very beautiful designer sari, designer dress of your own. These embroidery borders could be made onto your scarves, trousers, shirts, kurti, gown, frocks, and necklines as well, and baby frock designing as well. So these are the different patterns and different ideas. I hope that you have liked my ideas and creativity. So do follow my ideas, try your ideas, and make some beautiful dresses and share your experiences with us. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, be protected and stay protected, be positive. Meet you soon.